Alright, so manje senza question 5, which is the last question yaleli phepha. Kuthiwa manje la the diagram below represents the planets Neptune, Uranus and the Sun. You learned about the solar system, and then we have our planets amangaki 8, and then we have a dwarf planet esibiza ngePluto. It is not recognized as a planet. Alright, and then lapho we have Mercury, we have Venus, we have Mars, we have Earth, we have Jupiter, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, we have Neptune. And then here, as a dwarf planet, you also have Pluto and many more. So, Buak, la yona le diagram abayisho. This is the Sun, this is Uranus, and this is Neptune. Okusho ukuthi kulezi zinto lezi zo3 we have ilanga, Uranus and Neptune separated by a certain distance between them. Basitshela ukuthi uUranus noNeptune uhlukaniswe idistance e1.63 times 10 to the power 9 kilometer lo. Njengoba kilometer kusho ukuthi mawukuthi ngelinye ilanga bazosibuza and bekumele sibale bese wenze njani, bese convert lo kilometer ube amameter. As you can see nala uyithebula abanikele lona ukuthi i distance is always in meters, never in kilometers. Alright, basitshela ukuthi they are in a straight line, as you can see guys. The orbital, yeah. Neptune is 1.63 times 10 to the power 9 kilometers from Uranus. And the abobas abakudwebela nalezi zinto lezi bakhombisa ukuthi it is the distance from the centers. Ngobani? Newton's law of universal gravitation states that each particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a gravitational force that is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Which is why the distance it is measured across their centers. See, the data below shows relevant information concerning the above planetary bodies. Yeah, so the data below shows the relevant information concerning the above, which is low, planetary bodies. So the data table shows the mass of the Sun is 1.99 times 10 to the power of 30 kilograms. The mass of the Sun there. We also have the mass of Uranus as 8.73 times 10 to the power 25 kilograms. We have a mass of Neptune, U1.03 times 10 to the power 26 kilograms. And then the mean distance of Uranus to the Sun. Why bet it is the mean distance? It is the actual distance. Why? They cannot accurately measure the distance from Uranus to the Sun. So what they do different calculations, giving them answer acisha fane but our fan. And then what they do, they get the mean of those answers to get one number. Whereas the mean where ifunda maths with statistics, it is the sum of all the data values divided by the number of data values. Okusho ukuthi uma bebala ka50 bethola ama-answer u50 angafani, bazowahlanganisa wonke lo ma-answer o50 bathola i-total. Leyo total bayidivide ngo50. Iyona answer abazosinikeza yona la. But that's just an example. And then the mean distance of Neptune to the Sun. Angithi basinikeze i-distance from Uranus to the Sun. Uranus to the Sun. And then kube yini? Neptune to the Sun. Neptune to the Sun. Sinale. Okusho ukuthi le minus le obviously kuzoba ile. Yabo? But remember lo kuzomela simconvert. So out of everything we have now, sizokwazi ukwenza njani? Uqala sibale. But ke what I'll do ukuze ukwazi nawe ukuthi si reference while futhi sikwazi ukubala. Mawunganalo leli phepha leli, uzosend message ulicele and then you rewatch the episode again. But ke mina what I'll do is I'll remove the statement la, because vele basitshela ukuthi le statement yakhumbula bebesitshela ukuthi le data ela belonga to lama planetary bodies lawela. So we could draw again la lo, and then lo, and then use blue, and then lo. What do we know? What do we know? We know what is the distance between Uranus and Neptune. Ubani 1,63 times 10 to the power of 9 kilometers. The distance there between their centers. And then out of everything we know la, this is the Sun, this is Neptune, and this is Uranus lola patting down. Uranus, and then go back to Neptune. So everything we need, mind, you see now on one side. Therefore, we can focus on our calculations on another side. Asambe sibheka imibuzo. Alright, now umbuzo ke 5.1. Calculate the magnitude of the force of attraction that Uranus exerts on Neptune. So bafuna in force of attraction, which means bafuna FG, the force that each planet exerts on the Earth, but in this case that Uranus exerts on Neptune. Which means we know the masses of Uranus, we know the masses of Neptune, we know the distance between their centers. Okay. So therefore, we'll take the formula in Newton's law of universal gravitation, substitute, and get any final answer is. Alright, so F is equal to G M1 M2 all over R squared. You can use it all in data sheet. So G, it is given, it is 6,67 multiplied by 10 into negative 11. And then M1, the mass of Uranus, 8,73 times 10 to the power 25. And then M2, Neptune, which is 1,03 times 10 to the power 26. And then you're going to say divide and kubani. So divide and get distance between their centers, which is 1,63 times 10 to the power 9 times 10 to the power 3. Why is it times 10 to the power 3? You know what 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 3 meters. So from kilometers to meter, we multiply by 10 to the power 3. And from meter to kilometer, we divide. 1,63 times 10 to the power 12. When you multiply and the bases are the same, our laws of exponents are still routine, we add the two. So when we calculate, remember you have to use a scientific notation by pressing shift, mode, 7, 3. You would get 2,26 times 10 to the power of 17 newtons. This is the force that Uranus exerts on Neptune. Yona answer 4 marks. You did the conversion. Watata number right for G. Watata number right for the mass of Uranus. Watata number right for the mass of Neptune. We sebenzise kahle le data table abakunike yona ngala. So every time they ask you to calculate a force and when you are given ama masses ne distance, ayikho nje into enzima lapho. Uthatha uyosubstitute ku equation yakhe Isaac Newton, and then uset i-calculator yakho ngendlela, and then masuqedile usuyoyisubstitute uyithole kanje, which is 2,26 times 10 to the power 17 newtons. Umbuzo landelayo. Alright, so 5.2 u2 marks nje lo, so ungagxili kakhulu kumbuzo onamamaka amancane. Analyze yonke into kahle, uphendule, and then you can move on. Write down the magnitude and direction. Magnitude bafuna usize wayo ne direction yayo, le force that Neptune exerts on Uranus. Akhumbula kade sibala manje the force that Uranus exerts on Neptune. So I told you it is 2,26 times 10 to the power 17. So the force that Neptune exerts on Uranus is the same, but in opposite direction. See, start up the way you show. Newton's third law of motion states that when object A exerts a force on object B, object B will simultaneously exert an oppositely directed force of equal magnitude on object A. You can do see Lord. Uranus exerts a force on Neptune. Now, Neptune will exert a force on Uranus at the same time and the same place. Lo force izobi njani? Izobi ilingana nale force from Uranus to Neptune. Ilingana na ipi? Nale from Neptune to Uranus in terms of in magnitude. But in direction they are opposites. Okusho ukuthi my positive air Uranus to Neptune izoba negative eyabani Neptune to Uranus. So the force that Neptune law exerts on Uranus izobe ikanjani. First of all, magnitude yakhona. So that force it will be 2,26 times 10 to the minus 17 newtons. Yabo? Yin leyo. Magnitude yethu. Size y. We know it is going to be equal according to Newton's third law. Yabo? But in magnitude, in direction, I mean. First, omunye ngasho ukuthi opposite of force exerted by ubani Uranus to Neptune. Yabo? Omunye ngasho ukuthi to the right. It's up to you ukuthi uzobibhale kanjani. But careful, 2 marks you're going to bhala yo lok na lok noma lok na lok. Ngokwena yona ipi i-direction oyithandayo kuyiveze. Yabo? But la bekumele apply i-law ka-Isaac Newton leyo eyosithathu. Umthetho wakhe wesithathu usitshelayo ukuthi between ama-objects amabili eyodwa mayi-exerta i-force kwenye, nishuthi nale enye phela izo-exerta kwenye ngesikhathi esifanayo ngeforce elinganayo kodwa opposite. Usho njalo-ke use-Isaac Newton, and this is how we came to i-answer yethu. Aseni kumbuzo olandelayo. Alright. Ukugcina lo mbuzo question 2 on question 5, which means go question 5 nje ubu 8 marks and u2 marks ukugcina lo, meaning also since question 5 umbuzo ukugcina kuleli phepha, that means futhi nalo omunye u2 marks wokugcina on the whole paper. Alright, so tell her the magnitude of the force that the sun exerts on Uranus, which means the force the ilanga exerts on Uranus. Yeah, is 1,41 times 10 to the power 21 newtons. Ilanga on Uranus. And then, section 1, calculate the net force experienced by Uranus due to the sun and Neptune. Which means, lo phela ufuna ukuza ngala at the same time nalo ufuna umisa ngala. There is okusho ukuthi this force from the sun to Uranus is negative, and this force from Uranus to Neptune is positive, or the other way around. But we know which way is over positive or is over negative. So F net is equal to F1, it's F of the sun plus F of Neptune. So it's negative F of the sun 1,41 times 10 to the power 21 plus ubani F2, which is force of Neptune 2,26 times 10 to the power 17. So our final answer will be 1,41 times 10 to the power 21 newtons. So lendole, it is easy. Ukuthatha ini le number bakunikeza yona ibe negative plus le number okade uyithole eqaleni ibe positive. Phela ayikho mhlawumbe iformula enkulu ozayisebenzisa or into engaka kumele uyinake. Ama answer nje fairly simple. Negative of this force plus positive of this force isum le, since bethe calculate the net force experienced by Uranus lo phakathi nendawo. Uranus phela feels a gravitational force from the sun engaka, but also feels another gravitational force from Neptune engaka. So what is the sum acting on Uranus? It is low plus low, but these are vectors. I mean, vectors, they have in magnitude and in direction. So therefore, from Sun to Neptune, we took it as negative. Uranus and Neptune, we took it as positive. Some faga, our negative, some faga, our positive. And we got our final answer as 1,41 times 10 to the power 21 newtons as our final answer for 2 marks. So now we get lapha. You have experienced error why mhlawumbe wawulenza leli paper before or buqala ulenza or usazolenza, whatever the case may be. Make sure ukuthi you become honest to yourself. More wrong, more right. Sometimes uke ungaboni ukuthi wrong or right, ama mistakes ayenzeka. Therefore you could pass on to omunye umuntu umsebenzi wakho awubuke, and then uma sewubuka uzokwazi ukubona imistake, because lapho wena mawubuka kanje ubona la ubhale khona, you can't trace it backwards, ubone as if you are correct. Or mhlawumbe inkinga nje ukhohlwe negative or izinto ezikanjalo nje ezincane, you always have a friend ofunda naye physics, or if your teacher has time ungakwazi kumnikeza umbuzo uthi ngicela ungimakela then practice la ngabe ngi-right yini, yabo. And then mase akutshela ukuthi ayike right or wrong, whatever the case, but uzokunika incazelo as to why you got anything wrong, yabo. So sesizobonana ke episode elandelayo.